the Bob Mills Weather Center, Oklahoma weather expert, Lacey Swope.
Now a lot of folks have summertime on the mind. One thing we have not seen across Oklahoma weather-wise is that big-time summertime heat, or at least not in the metro. Reason for that is we've had so much rain, especially over the past 30 days. Now, the last week or so, a lot of the rain has missed central Oklahoma. But when you look back all the way to the very end of April, we've had in nearly 6.5 inches of rain in Oklahoma City. 6 inches in Guthrie, 6.8 in Kingfisher, 5 to 6 to nearly 7 inches in southwestern Oklahoma. Portions of the Panhandle are closing in on 5 inches of rain. Now, there have been some losers in the rain department, and that's south central Oklahoma. I've seen some pictures from folks in the south central portions of the state. Their ponds are still very low, still needing rain. Because of the rain, the cloud cover in Oklahoma City, we've yet to hit the 90-degree mark. No 90s as of yet. We average 71 per year. Looking ahead over the next 9 days, we're not seeing any 90s showing up either. The humidity is going to start to increase. Today, you will feel it. Tomorrow, those dew point values also make it feel a little muggy. If you look across the country, we're just in this pattern where we get these daytime pop-up thunderstorms. Very common for this time of year. Yesterday, we had rain around central Oklahoma, had a severe storm down to the south around the Red River. Complex of storms in Nebraska overnight last night has really fizzled, but it shoved an outflow boundary, a north wind, cool north wind out of that storm, made it all the way into northern Oklahoma. Now it's starting to wash on out, but did provide some cloud cover and a little fog as it moved in. We are seeing dry conditions on Next Gen Live. Here's a beautiful shot of our Lucky Star Sky Cam Network live from downtown. You can see the Boathouse District, also a hopping place to be this time of year, along with the Chickasaw Ballpark, Bricktown Ballpark. You can see that down to the south of your screen there as well, bottom of your screen. 69 degrees is our current temp, 60s, low 70s are the temperatures. It feels nice. South winds, they're 5 to 10 miles per hour. And here's a look right now on your hour-by-hour forecast. 79 at noon, we'll be at 84 by 3. That's our high today. Now, because of the moisture that's around, which you can kind of see as you look outside, it's a little hazy. We do have a heat index. It's a couple degrees warmer than the air temp, and a very slight chance of rain today. Today does look mostly dry during the daylight hours. Highs in the mid-80s, some upper 80s in the west, and it'll be hot southwestern Oklahoma, close to 90 degrees later today. Afternoon rain chances 10 to 20%. Now, once again, a complex of storms is expected to develop and make its way into the Panhandle, providing heavy rain, maybe pulse severe at times in the Panhandle. That moves into western Oklahoma tonight and weekends. I'll show you those rain chances in just a minute. We have rain chances that are pretty slim in central Oklahoma over the next few days, but that statewide chance goes up. Look at the pattern that we have. We've got the storm approaching from the west. Now look at the jet stream down over Mexico. It starts to ramp up into your Thursday. Maybe enough steering winds, enough instability, enough of the ingredients coming together to get some stronger severe storms in the Panhandle and western Oklahoma Thursday. By Thursday evening, that's trying to make it into the metro. We'll talk about that. Then for your Friday, we'll do it again. Another round of rain and storms. Saturday, that storm system kind of gets cut off over Oklahoma. We'll provide areas of rain. Same thing into Sunday. Your weekend looks wet off and on, and that same pattern continues into the start of next week. Lows tonight down into the 60s. It won't rain everywhere, and it won't rain all day, but that's the pattern we're heading back into. That complex tonight into tomorrow morning makes it into northwestern Oklahoma, starts to fizzle. Right now, it does not look like it'll be severe as it moves in, and the rain chances are at about 40%. Highs tomorrow back into the 80s, another humid day, maybe a couple degrees warmer than today. Very slight chance of an isolated shower tomorrow, with more storm chances creeping in the Panhandle. Then here comes Thursday. 70s, 80s. A complex of storms is expected to fire out west. Those storms will try to make it into western Oklahoma. Some data suggests they hold together all the way into Oklahoma City by Thursday evening. We'll have to see. Right now, the severe risk is mainly in the west and out in the Panhandle. Large hail, damaging winds, a very low tornado risk. Weekend rain chances going up. No real threat of severe weather into the weekend.